Africa is the next frontier of global manufacturing, and in the heart of East Africa, a new industrial opportunity is emerging. Tanzania is one of the fastest-growing economies in Africa, connecting a market of over 300 million people across East and Central Africa. Every growing economy needs printing, packaging, branding, and promotional products, yet the region still depends heavily on imported printing materials. Africa Rise Up Printers is developing a large industrial printing and packaging hub in Tanzania. The project will include industrial printing, packaging production, garment and uniform manufacturing, and a nationwide distribution network. A network of 7 regional branches will distribute products across Tanzania and the wider East African market. We are seeking strategic partners and technology investors to establish one of the largest printing and packaging centers in East Africa. With land secured, market access established, and a clear expansion plan, this project offers a powerful investment opportunity. Africa Rise Up Printers, building the future of printing and packaging in Africa.